see your sign. Show me your sign. All right.
Birds of America don't care how they look in pictures, maybe sparrows. The coot is vain, so's black-capped titmouse. Creeping warblers complain, but I like the screech owl. If they've been around to critique his work, would his name still be synonymous with birds? Oh! With a great crown purple finch take offense, or the least peewee flycatcher be incensed. Can't you see Napoleon's gull and wing to his breast? We've all seen vireos and bobolinks bothered by less. Never a man to hunt birds for sport. Audubon still hates the birds of America after he finished up their portrait. Some bird sounds.
Can you make a bird sound?
Into the park. Finch take offense, or the least peewee flycatcher be incensed. Can't you see Napoleon's gull their wing to his breast? We've all seen vireos and bobolinks bothered by less. Never a man to hunt birds for sport. Audubon still hates the birds of America